You ready? Okay. The shoulder joint. This is the crocodile brachialis, right here. And then turn it around. This is the deltoid. And then right below it is the infraspinatus.
Which one?
Right here.
The entire thing?
This entire thing is the infraspinatus.
Only this or this?
No, this whole thing right here.
This.
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 Yeah.
This. Okay.
Okay. And then this, turn it around again. This is the latissimus dorsi. Right
Okay.
here.
Yeah.
And then the pectoralis major, you can't see it on here. The subscapularis is this, right here. You see this? All of this is the subscapularis.
Okay.
Okay. And then above is the supraspinatus. Superior and then inferior, remember that. So supraspinatus, infraspinatus. And then the teres major, teres minor, and then teres major, right here. The major's on the bottom, and then the minor's on the top.
Wow, the book is so different. Okay, anyways.
And that's it.